What evidence cleared the Central Park Five? What evidence cleared the Central Park Five? This question takes us into a complex case that has sparked discussions about justice and media influence. The Central Park Five were 5 teenagers wrongfully convicted in the 1989 assault and rape of Tricia Miley, a jogger in Central Park. Their convictions were primarily based on confessions, but these confessions were flawed and inconsistent. In 2002, everything changed when Matthias Reyes, a convicted serial rapist, confessed to being the sole attacker. He stated that he acted alone, which directly contradicted the earlier claims made by the 5 teenagers. This confession was a turning point. Reyes's DNA was also found at the crime scene, and testing confirmed that it matched his biological evidence, not that of any of the 5 defendants. Before Reyes's confession, the prosecution relied heavily on the teenagers' confessions. However, these confessions included incorrect details about the time and location of the attack, as well as the victim's clothing. None of the 5 teenagers, except for Corey Wise, who was taken to the crime scene by police, could accurately describe what happened there. Additionally, Tricia Miley could not identify any of the 5 as her attacker. There was no physical evidence linking them to the crime. In light of Reyes's confession and the DNA evidence, the convictions of the Central Park Five were vacated in 2002. This new evidence demonstrated that the original convictions were wrongful. The case highlighted serious issues within the criminal justice system, such as the reliance on coerced confessions and the impact of racial bias. The media played a significant role in shaping public perception during this case. The intense media coverage often portrayed the 5 teenagers as guilty before they even went to trial. This kind of coverage can influence public opinion and, in turn, affect legal outcomes. From a true crime perspective, this case serves as a clear example of the dangers of flawed investigative practices and the importance of forensic evidence like DNA. It also shows the need for careful examination of confessions, especially those obtained from young people under pressure. The Central Park Five case remains a powerful reminder of how media narratives can shape perceptions of guilt and innocence.